Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I have my little t-shirt on my head. I'm doing the whole curl thing. I've been doing it for about, what, 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks now. And it's actually been, you know, doing pretty good. Charlotte just went down for a nap. It's like just shy of 11 o'clock. Grandma had to go to work a couple minutes ago. So I was gonna film my basement video today because I'm actually all makeuped up, and I was gonna film my empties video today, and I was gonna do my Dollar Tree haul hopefully before Charlotte wakes up, and then I can post those over the next 2 days. And then I am starting to set up everything for Walmart right now, you guys. Like, there's a lot of stuff. So not like a lot of Walmart stuff, but there's a lot of other deals. So that's what I'm gonna work on. Yeah, so funny thing, I forgot to mention this. So last night we were playing Frozen. No, I don't know what was playing. Oh, some music came on, and it was Frozen 2, and it was like, Into the Unknown. And all of a sudden Charlotte's like, ah! And she even did the whole thing. And I'm just like, ah! And then she did it again. And so then I played it. I played the song on YouTube, and she's like, and I'm like, oh my god, like, this is the first song she's actually, like, you know, she's starting to do, Baby Shark, and she, you know, Baby Shark, but, like, she just started doing that. I'm like, oh my god, this kid's, like, getting super smart. So, that's what's going on. Yeah, I was cleaning the basement, but the kids been playing down here when I do stuff, so it's kind of a little mess again, but whatever. This is what it's potentially for, is the play area once I get everything all organized. Graham and I are getting a bigger rug for down here, and then once that rug is down here, then we'll have the big play area. But yeah, everything's getting done. But it sounds like my phone's ringing. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go to Walmart today, and that's pretty much all we're gonna do. Not much else going on, nothing else exciting. But I know Graham gets on with work a little bit early, I think. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe he works till 9. Don't know. So I just came down here to get my coupons because I'm going to cut those out and get ready. So we'll probably not leave the house till after 12:30, 1 o'clock, which is fine with me. So maybe the kids will let me film in the car. Maybe. We will see. But I'm just going to pick up down here just a little bit before I film my video. So hey guys, so back. It's 12:47. We're just ready to go to Walmart. I am at the post office right now. Alice, thank you very much for sending me the coupons, but you don't have to send me a big envelope. You can actually just cut the coupons up and put it in a regular envelope with a stamp on. I know you paid a lot to send this for just a couple coupons, but just giving you guys a heads up that you could just cut them up. You can just cut them up instead of leaving them like that, and just put them right in an envelope. You'd save yourself so much money. But thank you, Alice. I just want to save you some money. So I will see you guys back when we're done with Walmart. I have to go pick up something at Walgreens. I have 2 online orders and medication to go pick up. So we're going to go there first. Then we're going to go to Walmart. So we've been home for about an hour. Yeah, the kids... I hate taking the kids couponing. Like, I just hate it because Charlotte doesn't want to sit. She wants to, like, walk in the cart, and I can't hold her, and then Ben wants to sit in the cart, which is fine, but he weighs a ton, and I can't sit there and push the cart when he's sitting in it and I'm holding Charlotte. It's just very stressful. Like, Graham has no idea how to shop with the kids solo. He has never shopped with the kids ever by himself with both of them. Never, 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 never. Every time we go shopping, I am with him. So I know never to shop again with the kids, especially at Walmart. So I think we were there for 2 hours. It took us forever because I had to sit there and take pictures, and then do this, and then do that, and then deal with this, and then deal with that. So I think it's like 4:30 right now, and I'm finally getting to do the video, you guys. Like, it took me forever to do the math because I started doing shop kicks again. I've done shop kicks every once in a while, but I'm like, I gotta get to it. They banned me from the app a couple weeks ago because I had like enough money to get like a $25 gift card, and I was just gonna go redeem it, and it said error, and then it popped up saying that I did something wrong, that I got blocked. And so I haven't even used the app in months, and then all of a sudden I got banned from the website, from the thing, because I go on it every once in a while. And so I sent them a message. I says, I did not do anything wrong. I says, I haven't even been active on the, you know, the app for a while. I think it's because I had, like, you know, quite a few referrals. So I think that's what happened, because that's happened to me with Ibotta. So then they're like, okay, thanks, we fixed it, now it works again. So I don't know what the heck happens, but it's just like, you know, if you're gonna ban somebody, give them a reason why they got banned. So I have a pile of bags right here next to me to work on my Ibotta haul. I got way too much. Like, I just got way too much, which is fine because everybody needs different deals. So I'm gonna work on that. Then I'm going to edit this video, or edit the video for Walmart, post it, and then after I post it, I'm taking like a good hour break, and then I'm gonna clean and make dinner and all that stuff. So hopefully this doesn't take forever. So okay, I will catch you guys back. Well, hey you guys, Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, I see the camera in your hand, I gotta be on camera. Yeah, so I'm just having a bad day, you guys, today. Like, it's 7:30. I finally just posted my Walmart video. Like, it's just impossible to do it. And then, you know, I always do the math and stuff by myself. And then I yelled at Ben to pick up this place. And he did an okay job. And then it's just all messy again. Like, I'm not depressed. I'm not sad. I'm just not having it. Like, I need to pick up, which I probably will in a little bit. I'm going to find out what time Graham gets home. And then I'll pick up like 30 minutes prior to him. But for the kids' dinner, I ordered some cups, you guys. Like, I ordered more stainless steel cups because I want to make a couple more that I want to make. And I ordered some dog bowls. So I'm going to bling 2 different types of dog bowls, and I'll see, you know, how those do. And then I also bought some, I also bought some acrylic cups that are similar to the Starbucks, but we're going to see, because I can sell those a whole lot cheaper than the Starbucks ones. But I'm getting there. I'm just trying to figure out what else I could do. I want to kind of wait. I wanted to get the cups because they had free shipping. Otherwise, I had to spend like $75 more to get free shipping, and I'm just like, I'm just going to get what I got. So I got that just because I've been waiting for it, but then I'm just gonna kind of wait and see how Etsy goes, which is totally fine. I have my prices a little bit cheaper than everybody else. Like I said, I'm not in it to make a huge profit. I'm just in it to get my money back and, you know, just make a little bit of my time. But and it's something I enjoy, you know. But we have to register Ben for school on the 3rd, which is Monday. I have to register him online, and they're gonna ask if you want to do virtual or hybrid. I want to do hybrid. He just needs to get out. But, you know, if they have to do virtual and then do hybrid, I'm totally fine with that until they get, you know, more things. They also made it just mandatory today that you have to wear a mask until September 28th. Mandatory mask until September 28th. Fine with that. I'm not gonna fight with it. Huh? Yeah. One thing is, like, I don't complain about stuff because, you know what, I just go with the flow. If that's what people want, that's what I do. I just don't like getting in arguments. Like, you know, I don't like commenting. There's this one lady that I watch, and she gets a lot of hate. A lot of hate. But I've just been watching her for, you know, several years now. I don't watch her as much as I used to. But she gets a lot of hate, and it's like, I don't want to comment, you know, because, you know, some of these people are just like evil. But, and I'm so trying to be away from as much drama as possible. I've been involved with so much drama over the past years that I just try not to get involved. I just, you know, I like my friends, I keep it simple, I got it that way. But, yeah, I started working on I started, you know, doing my basement video, and then as my cat won't shut up. And I can't yell at her because she can't hear me. I was working on the basement video, and then when I was filming my Walgreens video, Ben and Charlotte started making a huge mess in the basement. It just does not stop. Ugh, I think one of these days when Graham goes to work, I think I'm just going to take the kids and drive to IKEA. Just go there. It's like an hour-and-a-half drive, but I'm like, I just want to go there just to get some more organization things, and you know, I really want to get a shelf, and I don't know, I just want to look for another rug for the kids, but I mean, I don't need to go. I got stuff first, but it's like, I don't know. Paris! Yeah. We have ants in our house, you guys. Like, all of a sudden, they're right by our garage door, and there's like 100 of them. And I put ant poisoning there, and they were not going anywhere. And I have this like plastic thing that they can go into, and like none of them I've never seen any of them in there. And then I have like a little thing of like, you know, you do just little droplets. Well, I have it like barricaded so Charlotte doesn't get into it, and Ben knows better. And then all of a sudden, like a couple hours later, there was like all of them, you know, there's like at least like 20, 30, maybe 40 of them all eating that poison. So I'm like, I'm going to add more poison before I went to bed last night. So I got some paper plates, and I added I cut them in quarters, and then I added 2 of those, and then still the poison. So I haven't, how are the ants doing? Have you checked on them? Go check on the ants, see if they're still there. But yeah, they've been slowing down, but it's like, where do these ants come from? Oh, and Ben's wearing pants today. I know a lot of you guys think it's like the highlight of the day to see if Ben's wearing pants. Is it a boy thing? I don't know. This kid just doesn't care. This morning, he had his underwear on inside out and backwards. Does he care? Nope. Was there a lot of ants?
No.
You didn't see any?
No.
You saw some? No? My phone went off. Okay. But I'm just we're gonna pick up for 10 minutes, and then we can go outside. And I'll help you. I'll help you.
I want to pick up, but why don't you do it this either?
So, we'll figure out what to do. But Charlotte took a very slow little nap. I was gonna record it, but I couldn't. Charlotte took a very little nap. She fell asleep on our way home from Walmart. Ben fell asleep from our way home on Walmart. I was actually gonna film the video in the van as in my driveway, but then Graham called me, and then both kids woke up. But I was gonna actually film them in the van while they slept, but didn't happen. That's why it took so much longer to do it. But I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna get some stuff picked up. I gotta stop yawning. I'm gonna have something to eat, something to wake me up. Oh, I'm gonna have a glass of chocolate milk is what I'm gonna have.
I'm having chocolate milk too.
Okay, I'll see you guys in back.
Where are you going? Diaper butt, get over here. You get over here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get
Charlotte,
you.
what you doing?
Are you having fun? The little monster keeps wanting to run down the sidewalk because Benny Pooh's driving. There goes Benny Pooh. We are trying to con him into not driving with his training wheels, but he is adamant about driving with his training wheels. But I think we're gonna take him off possibly this weekend. Come on back, little man. What you doing, Miss Darlet? You playing? Yeah? Can you say ball? Say ball. Charlotte, can you say ball? Charlotte. Ah. Ah. Okay, here comes Benny Pooh. Ben, try to balance better. Okay, but try to balance your bike a little bit. Don't rely on the training wheels. Ooh, super fast. Look at that. Hey, you guys. So we've been playing outside, and it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock. I have no idea. What time is it? Hold on, Charlotte. Let's put you down. It is 8:43. Ben said he wants to light a firework. So Graham's like, yeah, we can light a quiet one. So we will see how that goes, and then I'm gonna get these kitties ready for bed. I'm already thinking about Christmas already. Okay, here we go. All of a sudden now it does not want to focus. Okay, guys, we're gonna do another one.
I like this one.
Ready? We're gonna go bzzz. What?
I like it.
Isn't this the one that goes up in the air?
Nope.
Okay, we had one that went up in the air. We had no idea.
You like that? Is that a good one?
Okay, you guys, so I will see you guys all early tomorrow. But yeah, I can't get this out of focus. There we go. But yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Graham's off of work. We have no idea what we're gonna do. No idea, but we're ready to have some family fun. So I'll see you guys all bright and early. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.